We're live here at the 2026 ADI Expo, and I'm here with Neil Sutton, and he is with the 𝗬𝗏&𝗧 magazine. He's actually the editor-in-chief, and most of the things we read in here goes through him. So today it's odd to see him on the other side.
Yes.
You guys are showcasing your 30th anniversary edition of this one.
No, I appreciate the opportunity. So 𝗬𝗏&𝗧 News, we've been publishing this publication for 30 years.
Yeah.
So our first issue was 1996. So here we are in 2026. So 30 years the publication has been around. I've been the editor for about half of those years, so about 15 years. So yeah, we try and reflect all the security trends that are happening in Canada, reach out to our Canadian audience of dealers and installers and share all the industry news with them, cover as many trends as we can.
I know you've been publishing this and you've always been following the news in the security industry, like you said.
Yeah.
And the trends keep changing.
They do.
Every year.
They do.
But what is one of the trends that you'd say, in your opinion, has stuck with you?
So in terms of broader technology trends, like AI is a trend that's been driving this industry just like many others. So the industry is sort of catching up to the idea of how AI is advancing the products and how you install the products and how you use the products. And the other big technology trend that we've been following for several years now is how everything is moving to the cloud. Those are the two biggest, broadest technology trends that have been affecting the industry for the last 5 or 10 years.
And one of the things that I think you know about is the 𝗬𝗏 Training Institute. We've been doing this for the last 10 years, and our strength is hands-on technical training, trying to fast-track careers in the least amount of time for the least amount of money. Recently, we launched the Jersey for Job campaign. I don't know if you've heard about it.
You mentioned this to me, yes, for sure.
𝗬𝗏 happens to be the co-founder of the 𝗁𝗲 Foundation, and over the next 2 years, they're committing to investing $90,000 to train 10 women and bring them into that industry that you and I so love. We could have endless conversations with Neil. He's well versed in the security industry. Definitely, he's been a news chaser, chasing all the trends that we see in the 𝗬𝗏&𝗧, a great piece of magazine that keeps security integrators, manufacturers, and alike up to date with whatever it's happening. Thank you for taking the time.
Oh, thank you.
It's nice meeting you, and thank you, Emilia, for taking the time as well. Keep watching the 𝗬𝗏 Training Institute's channel, and we'll see you on the next one.